Hi, this is my generator. It's looking a little bit sparse in there, isn't it? That's because all the parts for it are now in here. Hopefully I can reuse some of these parts. The gas tank for it's over there and it's still full of gas. So I got to figure out how to get the gas out of that. This was a 3,550 watt generator. And now it's just a pile of junk that the mechanic says is not even worth fixing. I asked him if this was your generator, would you fix it? And he said no. He offered to sell me one, but I probably wouldn't buy one like this again. The problem is I still have one pump. Look at 7 horsepower. I have one pump I can't pump unless I use this generator. But I checked the price on a pump that would do the same thing that I need done. And it would be a 1.5 horsepower. And it would cost like $70 or $80. Maybe $75, $80. And it would allow me to have running water in the house again. So this guy's not going to live again. I will keep the parts in case somehow some of them might be useful. There's some bolts in here that certainly can be used for something. But mostly it's junk and or art supplies. Well, there's a switch in here. It could be used for something. I mean, I'll try and recover what I can out of this dead body of a generator. But it is sad. I have had it for like, I think around 18 years. But I barely use it. So it's done well. It's a good generator. It's got a Briggs and Stratton engine in it. That's a very common engine that the company makes them and then people stick them in things. So it's all fine. But for now, I'm about to run out of running water. And I didn't buy the pump because I wasn't sure I had enough cash on me. And I have to have a little bit of cash to do things. But it was interesting. It was a great attempt. That took about, I think it took about a month or something to try and figure out if that is a fixable generator or not.